Hey guys, we received this Fivona 2-in-1 Sitz bath soak kit for test and try. So this is for the toilet seat or over the toilet seat with the Epsom salt blend with essential oils for the hemorrhoids and postpartum care ideal for the perineal soaking and fast relief. So here this comes in a combo pack, and as you can see, so this one is the Sitz bath. So this is like the main bath kit or the Sitz bath thing, and the other one is the soaking blend. So here this is a foldable one, so that's a good thing that you can just expand it, and while storage you can just compress this well and take with you. So this is a BPA free material, temperature resistant, ergonomic design, and easy to use and lightweight. So this one is really the nice quality, as you can see, but the lightweight thing. And this is a Epsom salt blend that comes with it, with the nice combination. So you can just fit it easily on any toilet, as you can see, and this can be used. So it's no sturdy thing and a nice flexible material which fits really well. So you can just put in the hot water or the warm water, and then put in this salt. So this salt is really good. You can do like 1 teaspoon or whatever, like the best way for you, but you can just use this salt, and it gets solubilized easily. So once this is dissolved, and then you can just put it on the toilet seat, and then you can use. So it's really good, and contains a good amount of warm water, and also you can just clean easily after the use. And once this is all done, you can just easily clean, fold it back, and store. So nice kit overall.